Today, we'll show you how to install your Britax convertible car seat rear-facing using the vehicle seatbelt. You can use these instructions for Marathon ClickTight, Boulevard ClickTight, and Advocate ClickTight seats with anti-rebound bars. Place the car seat in your vehicle in the rear-facing position. Now, you'll need to adjust the recline angle. Pull recline handle and rotate the seat shell until the recline indicator ball is in the correct position for the rear-facing position. If you have difficulty achieving the proper angle, refer to your user guide. To open the seat, press the dimple on the ClickTight dial. Rotate the dial clockwise and lift up to open. Slide both the lap and shoulder parts of the vehicle seatbelt through the rear-facing belt paths. Check that the vehicle belt is not twisted. And buckle the seatbelt. Remove slack from the lap part and then the shoulder part of the vehicle belt. Close the seat and listen for a click to confirm it's secure. The seat should not move more than an inch from side to side on the belt path.